What's going on, guys? It's me, Too Free, and in this video, just like the title says, we are going to be in Dallas. Now right now I'm not in Dallas. Right over there's a bus right back there. That was terrible. And so let's get right into this. Okay guys, I'm back and we're heading on the bus. We're going over to Dallas. It's gonna be an 8-hour trip, so it's basically just gonna be a lot of random clips of me just walking around the same room, being bored, looking and talking into the camera, saying random things. But that was very cringy. So it's basically just gonna be a lot of random clips of me just looking, talking to the camera because I'm bored. Also, if you haven't noticed, I have green hair because I dyed it because I wanted to. So expect a lot of random clips of me talking, and see you there. Guys, so this bus has built-in Wi-Fi and built-in electrical outlets, so I don't have to worry about my phone dying while I'm trying to record, and I don't have to worry about posting or anything because it has built-in Wi-Fi. So right now we're just driving. It's already been a while. It's kind of boring. So see you. We have so much longer until we get there. This is so boring. So all the recordings in this bus are probably going to be very boring, and I'll put the time somewhere down there for whenever I get to the actual hotel, because then it'll actually be more fun stuff to record instead of just me being bored. So we're a little bit closer, but we still have a really long time, like 6 hours. It's already been like 2 hours of boredom. But right now, see, we're just driving, of course. So happy 4th of July. Well, today is 4th of July, but when you're seeing this, it's not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. But so comment down below what you think of my hair, and also just comment down below what you want to see me do in some of the vlogs. Like maybe I could do like floors lava or whatever you want. Grinding. It's going to take forever to get there. Okay, so right now we're in Cracker Barrel, finally getting some food. You probably can't hear me right now because it's really loud. But we're getting some food finally because I haven't eaten all day. So I got meatloaf, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, and fries. It's a weird mix. So I'll see you later. So right now I'm just walking around the Cracker Barrel shop area. Look at this.
Oh my god. It looks wrong on so many levels.
What are you? So I don't really know what we should or what I should talk about. Just walking around this area. Probably gonna cut some of this out. Look at this thing. And also, we got a Z hat. Yeah, that's a little awkward. Go subscribe to his channel. What is that? That is the ugliest looking dory I've ever seen.
Hey guys, look. It's Tigger!
Oh, that doesn't
Teenage
work.
Mutant Ninja Turtles.
These things never work. Come on. Work. There we go. That looks cool.
What is this thing? Oh my god, look, this is so special. It lights up.
So, yeah, right now I'm just bored looking around the shop. You're
Do
probably
you like a fudge pop?
You're probably bored watching my video too. So we're both bored right now. So Star Wars. They just have Star Wars on everything here.
Look at this. Bro, a mermaid.
They even have knockoff
Only
Star
available in
Wars.
stores today.
Looks like a fake Western, but that's not what it's supposed to be. What is this thing? Listen to that song. Yeah, I'm sorry for RIP headphone users.
How the heck do you use this thing?
Look, Rubik's Race. Shake it, slide it, solve it. You probably can't read that because it's probably backwards. As you can tell, I'm just super bored right now. I'm literally walking around a little shop area in Cracker Barrel showing you stuff.
Show how sad people are. I found this box, someone stole it.
How cheap do you have to be to steal something from Cracker Barrel?
Yeah, exactly. Let's see how much it was. Oh, $4.99.
Oh wow. Why? If you have ever done that, why?
You want to throw a burger in your microwave?
Look. I've already showed you these things, but look, they have Chihuahua. They have a Chihuahua.
Oh, the tag.
Whatever that is. A pig. Ugly looking. And a growing raptor. Crystal growing.
Hit the jackpot.
Animated pet fish. I'm so bored right now.
What?
We have this thing right here, whatever that is.
Actually, I'm kidding. What the heck is that? Oh my god, this is wrong on so many levels. look at what it's doing right now.
The world's smallest Fisher Price telephone.
I don't know. Something you can scratch.
Look at all these world's smallest.
Dark chocolate, just it's like these chocolate things with like white, and they're actually really good. I don't know who loves these. Bro, another world's smallest Fisher Price, but that looks. Ooh, that looks way better.
Boredom. That's what it does to you. Is that supposed to turn? I hope it is.
Oh, is it 8?
Okay guys, so we finally made it to the hotel. Took 8 hours to drive here. Now we're going up to our rooms. This place is huge. I gotta show you this later in the vlog. Okay guys, so we finally made it to the room. We're in our room, just hanging out. But yeah, later we're gonna, I think we might be going to the mall. I don't know.
Not today, yes, tomorrow.
No, not today.
No, it's Thursday, we're going tomorrow.
So right now we're walking through the outdoor area to go to the main lobby. Look at this. Yeah, this place is awesome. Okay guys, so right now we're in the mall, we're in the food court. I got some Taco Bell, I got a quesadilla, and a taco, and Mountain Dew. I don't know why I have to tell you everything I eat, but so after this, I'm probably gonna vlog a little bit of us just walking around the mall, probably buying stuff too, and I can show you what I bought. Okay guys, so we're back in the bus. We're going to the hotel again. I could probably show you around the hotel again, or show you more of the hotel. And also, sorry about not vlogging a lot in the mall. I know I said I was going to different stores and stuff, but I didn't. I forgot to. But I didn't buy anything, so I have nothing to show y'all. But I think we might be going to the mall like Thursday, so I can vlog again there. Okay, see you at the hotel. So we're back at the hotel, and like I said in the bus, I know I didn't vlog in the mall like I said I was going to. I only vlogged in the food court, but I'm gonna try to vlog some more tonight because it is 4th of July and there's gonna be like a huge party thing, so that could be something I can record. Apparently there's gonna be fireworks, so definitely gonna record that. So I don't really know what to talk about. Look at the view.
Let's talk about Roman Atwood.
Okay, so I'm just probably gonna end this little clip right here, and I'll probably see you in the lobby or the hallway in the next clip. See you there. Okay guys, what you just saw was some clips from the fireworks show that they had just a little bit ago, and right now I'm just sitting in the lobby part. Real quickly I'm going to show you like a video of me doing like 360, so I'll show you that. Okay, that looked pretty good, and this place is huge. I don't even know if I'll be able to show you all of it in this one vlog. Maybe tomorrow and the day after. But anyways, I'm gonna go back to I'm gonna go to the hallway or something, and I'll see you there. Okay guys, it's getting kinda late, so I'm just gonna end the video. I mean, it's already like 15 minutes long, I think. I think that's long enough for vlog day 1. Stay tuned for tomorrow for vlog day 2. So, hope you guys enjoyed. It's been 2 Free Productions, and I am out.